unboxing. Thank you card. There we have the manual. Quick guide. We have the reset pin to reset the unit. USB charging cable. Charge the device. Reader. Card, pretty much you just put the SD card in there. Mounting bracket. And the hidden camera. As you can tell, it's extremely small. Here's the Wi-Fi button. Next, we have the power button. Here's the magnet for the mounting bracket. We have the camera. An IR sensor, pretty much for motion detection, also nighttime. We have the SD card slot. A light indicator. There's 3 lights. And the charging port. I'm going to go through the app. First thing you want to do is go into your settings and go to the Wi-Fi. And behind the actual device, there's information, and that should be your Wi-Fi. After that, you're going to want to do the smart link. Make sure to connect to the device Wi-Fi first before even starting this process. You're going to want to input your Wi-Fi information after that. Once you connect it all the way through, here's some of the features. Change the name of the device. Change the password. Make sure to set in the password. The default password is 123456. This is the video quality. Here's some settings. That's the auto record, auto alarm. And so you just go on and play with the settings and just pick your preference. Here's the format SD card. Definitely make sure to format the SD card. And I always choose class 10 because it records better. Here's the sensitivity. So it has low, middle, high, close. Here's the email settings, so it could pretty much email you if there's any motion or anything. You can also encrypt data, SSL, TSL. And so there's many settings you can do with this. Here's all the information for the device, the version number and everything. You can update manually. It takes up to 3 minutes. You can reboot, restore. Now I'm doing this, this is actual footage. You can speak, listen, snapshot, video. Go to flip it. Make sure to record video if you want. Click it. You can zoom in and out. Now, the video is not in a well-lighted area, so it's not showing color, although it does show color. And as you continue to watch the video, you'll see it. Here's the color. And so I was just moving it with my hands. Now when you are moving it and it doesn't stand still, it will freeze. But once it's actually stands still, it'll record without issues. Here I'm going through the playback. And so you can see the videos, you can look at the actual pictures. And of course, this is going through my smartphone, so you have to select photos and pretty much where you want to open the images. And here's the playback. Now you have several options. You take a picture, pause, you zoom in, flip it. You can fast forward, reverse, share. So it has a timeline in the bottom left. So you can see the timeline. So it'll be time, date, stamped. But overall, this is a great little hidden spy camera. It's extremely small. And so this will be, depending on where you put it, it'll be undetected. And has great resolution. And it does have color and also night. And so you shouldn't have any issues with that. So hopefully this review helps you in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.